Welcome my dear students for online class for the SSC students on English second paper from Manikar Model High School. Dear students, now I am going to discuss changing sentence board question Borishal Board 2019. Today's topic changing sentence Borishal Board 2019. Change the sentences according to directions. Question number A. Haji Muhammad Mohsin was not an unkind man at all. The students, you have to change into affirmative from negative. You have to change into affirmative. This sentence is negative. The tools, if you find the tools, auxiliary verb plus negative, you have to change into affirmative. You have to cut negative word not and keyword. You have to change into keyword. The students, in this sentence, unkind is keyword. So you have to change antonym kind. You have to change antonym kind. Unkind, kind. So dear students, firstly, you have to write Haji Muhammad Mohsin was. H-A-J-I Haji M-O-H-A-M-M-A-D M-U-H-S-I-N W-A-S. You have to cut not and then you have to keep antonym kind, but you have to another phrase, this phrase at all, you have to change, you have to bring, you have to change, you have to set very instead of at all. Dear students, very adverb. So adverb is used before adjective. Kind, here kind is adjective. So very is used before kind. This one's firstly here unkind, n is used after before unkind because u first letter of this word capital as a consonant vowel, first letter of this word vowel. So here is used n before this word, before unkind. So notice very, the students, A-V-E-R-Y, very. Here notice this word, first letter of this word B is consonant, so you have to use A. And then you have to write adjective kind, K-I-N-D, kind, M-A-N, man. Haji Muhammad Mohsin was a very kind man. The students, you can change into affirmative from negative by using the rules of affirmative to negative to affirmative. The tools auxiliary verb plus negative not, negative word not. If you find this tools in a sentence, you have to sense into affirmative in this way. At all, here at all is a phrase. If you find at all, you have to use antonym very instead of at all. And very is used before adjective because very is an adverb. Very is an adverb. Going to next question B. He inherited vast property from his father and sister. The students, you have to sense into interrogative. This sentence is affirmative and assertive. Assertive. And is this question, is auxiliary verb in this sentence? The students, there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. If you do not find auxiliary verb, you have to find B1 plus S or ES, B2. The students, B2, ED. Notice the students, you know, he. Here he is subject in this sentence. He and subject is used before verb. So inherited, here inherited verb. And this verb is weak verb, weak one, because notice ed, this ed, ded is added with the weak verbs, with the int of the weak verbs. So notice this verb is V2 and you have to, there is no auxiliary in this sentence. As there is no auxiliary in this sentence, you have to bring do, does, did. This one is, as the verb is B2, so you have to bring did. And sentence is affirmative. If the sentence is affirmative, you have to sense into negative. If the sentence is negative, you have to sense into affirmative. So didn't, you have to, firstly you have to write didn't, D-I-D, did, and you have to use in brief form of NT, not NT, not ACE, and then you have to use subject, and you have to use B1 as you have used did, so you have to use B1 instead of B2. The students, you have to cut ED and this verb is B1. It will be B1, inherit, I-N-A-C-R-I-T, inherit, B-A-S-T, bus, P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y, property, F-R-O-M, from. Then you have to, next part of the sentence, and you have to use the question marks in the end of this sentence. The question marks end of this sentence. Yes, students. Next, you can write next part of this sentence. From ASIS is F-A-T-H-E-R, father, A-N-D, and S-I-S-T-E-R, father and sister. And you have to use question marks end of this sentence. Going to next step, this one notice, didn't he inherit vast property from his father and sister? Question marks. Going to next step, question C. He was unmarried, negative. You have to sense into negative. This one, this sentence is passive. and this sentence is affirmative. So you have to sense into negative. Dear students, this sentence is exceptional because when you sense into negative, you have to you have to sense this sentence active. You have to bring active. You have to sense this sentence active because was, you have to cut was and you have to use instead, you have to use did not instead of was. This one first write he, he, did, not, did not, as you, as did not is used here, so verb is given. Married, this is the keyword married, unmarried, and you have to sense into antonym married or marry. As did not, you have to use did not. I did not is used. This did not has been used, so marry. You have to use B1 marry. MARR marry. He did not marry, মানে সে বিয়ে করলো না. Going to next question D. During his lifetime, he spent money lavishly to help the poor. Complex. Dear students, you have to sense into complex, but notice this sentence. Question: is this sentence simple or compound? Dear students, one subject, simple sentence is one subject, one finite verb. Dear students, notice only one subject, one finite verb in this sentence. He is pinned. He is pinned. This is the subject and this is the finite verb, and there is no verb in this sentence. So this sentence is simple sense. You have to sense into complex. As dear students, this is the 2 plus b1. So you can is 2 plus b1. If you find 2 plus b1 in the simple sentence, you have to come so that, and then you have to structure. You have to use structure subject plus can, could, may, might plus b1 plus extension ext. Students, firstly you have to write he spent money during his lifetime. He spent money lavishly. Lavishly. He spent money lavishly. You have to write he spent money lavishly before 2. He spent, spent, money, money, labishly, lavishly, during, during, his, life, life, time. As this phrase during his lifetime is part of this sentence, so I have this part he of this sentence. This part of this sentence, he spent money lavishly, and I have added during his lifetime with this sentence, with this clause. during, during, HISS, LIFE, TIM, lifetime. You have to use so that, so TACT, that. You have to use so that, and you have to structure subject, students, he, subject. Here he is subject, So you have to bring subject he, AC he, and this sentence, just will notice is pinned. This verb is B2. So you have to use can or could. You have to use could. Can could. So you have to use could. As verb is B2. So you have to use could. 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 And you have to write help the poor after two. You have to write help the poor after two. ACLP help the PWO are poor. He spent money lavishly during his lifetime. During he spent money lavishly during his lifetime. So sorry. He spent money lavishly during his lifetime so that he could help the poor. During his lifetime, he spent money lavishly to help the poor. Complex. Going to next step. Question number E. One night, when he was saying his prayer, a thief broke into his room. This was, you have to sense into simple according to the order. Question, is this sentence complex or compound? Your students notice when a conjunction of complex, when a conjunction of complex. So this sentence is complex. One. This sentence is complex. One. Complex sentence. Firstly, you have to come at the time of plus beyond plus ing. The students notice this clause is continuous. He was saying his prayer. This clause is continuous. So at that time, you have to come at that time while changing into simple. Firstly, one night you have to write ONU1 NIGHT night. 8 here the TIME time of at the time of the students here notice he subject and his this form is same. There is no difference. So you have to cut he and another auxiliary verb was it is cut. You have to cut. SAYING saying at the time of plus beyond plus ing. This is the format of simple sentence. So if you find when plus continuous tense, you have to come you have to come at the time of plus beyond plus ing while changing into simple. And then you have to write next part of this sentence, his prayer. His prayer. HISS prayer, comma ATHETHIEF thief, BROK into HISS ROOM. The students, and you have to use comma and have to write next part, next clause, principal clause. A thief broke into his room. You can change into another rules. You can change into simple by using another rules, or did not. Time is short. Going to next step. Question F. Seeing motion, the thief cried. Seeing, the students notice given plus ing. You have to change into compound. But question, is this sentence complex or simple? The students, only one subject, one finite verb. Only one subject, one finite verb in this sentence. So this sentence is simple. Only one subject, the thief, and finite verb cried. So this sentence is simple. You have to change into compound from simple. The students, compound, simple to compound. Simple to, you have to change into simple to compound. So firstly, notice B1 plus ing. Compound this thief. Here thief is subject. Thief is subject. Firstly, you have to write thief because this is the noun of the sentence. TAC, the TACIEF, thief. And you have to cut ing. You have to cut ing, and according to that, you have to set the principal verb cutting ing according to the tense of the principal clause. The students notice cried B1. Here cried is B1. So, sorry, cried is B2, ED. So cried is B2. So you have to use B2 form. You have to use same tense. Seeing ing saw. C saw, seen. SAW, saw. MUSSIN, and cried. The students, the thief, to subject and to finite verb, but subject is if the subject is same after and after and subject silent after and. CRIED, right. So it has been compound. The thief saw motion. The thief saw motion. চোরটি মশিনকে দেখলো and cried এবং কাঁদলো. Going to next step. Question number G, F, G. The thief was caught. Dear students, you have to send some to active according to the order. This sentence is basic, but you have to send into active. There is no object. By to, after by to, add, etc. So you have to guess object. You have to think subject. You have to think subject according to the meaning of this sentence. The thief was caught. The students, you can ask a question. Who caught the thief? Exactly, you can answer motion. So you can use subject as motion. So you can use motion. You can use subject motion. So you can write MUSIL motion. The students, auxiliary verb is this sentence. Auxiliary verb in this sentence. There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence because in my previous class I have discussed M is R plus B3, M is R plus B3, M is R was R plus B3. There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence because this is an extra word. You have to cut extra word. Firstly, you have to use subject and then you have to auxiliary, but there is no auxiliary in this sentence, so you have to cut. This is an extra word, so you have to cut because M is R plus M is R was R plus B3. So this verb is extra word, you have to cut. And if you cut was, you have to B2, you have to sense into B2 instead of cut. So cut, same. CAUGST, cut. The, and then you have to use subject as object. The thief, here the subject is thief. You have to use subject as object in this sentence while changing into passive to active. The TAC, the THIEF, thief. The students, this sentence has been active. Machine caught the thief. Machine চোরটিকে ধরেছিল. Okay, going to next. Question number is, how needy the thief was. How needy the thief was. মানে, dear students, notice this sentence. You have to sense it assertive, but this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Dear students, how to sense it exclamatory sentence? Dear students, if you find how or what plus A obliques N, what plus A obliques N, you have to sense into assertive from exclamatory sentence. You have to sense into assertive from exclamatory sentence. Assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive. You have to say exclamatory to assertive. But this sentence is exclamatory. You have to sense into assertive. The students, notice how here this is a tools. You have to cut firstly in this sentence subject and verb subject and verb in this sentence. Last, the thief was subject and verb. Firstly, you have to sentence. In the exclamation sentence, subject and verb is the end of this sentence. Subject and verb remain last. Remain last word. Last word. Exclamatory sentence. Subject and verb remain last word. So last word. So firstly, you have to bring subject and verb while changing into assertive from exclamatory. Ace. Firstly, you have to write subject and verb. T-A-C-E. Students, the thief was. T-H-I-E-F. Thief, W-A, was. And then you have to vary instead of how. You have to vary instead of how. B-E-R-Y, vary. And you have to set next part after how till before subject. How to before subject. Subject till subject. Before subject, you have to next part write needy before subject. N-E-E-D-Y, needy. Students, notice, if you find how oblige what plus a oblique, how oblige what plus a oblique n, you have to change into exclamatory to assertive. You have to change into exclamatory to assertive. Firstly, you have to write subject and verb. You have to write subject and verb, and then you have to use very instead of how or what. Very or great instead of how or what. Dear students, in this way, very. In this way, very is used. Very has been used instead of how. So the thief was very needy. Firstly, and then you have to write from how to the thief. How to the thief. Needy. How to the thief. How to subject. How to subject. You have to write how to subject. Needy. The students, in this way, you can change into exclamatory to assertive by using this rules. Going to next step. He gave the thief some food and money. The student's passive. You have to sense into passive according to the order. According to the order, you have to sense into passive according to the order. He gave the thief some food and money. He gave. The students, you have to find subject and verb and object. The students, notice he is subject. Subject, verb is used after subject, so gave is gave, G-A-V, gave. So verb is V2, subject verb, and then the thief is object. Two object has been used in this sentence. Two object have been used. Two object have been used in this sentence. So another subject, some food and money, but you have to guess. You have to think. After you have to guess subject after verb. The students, is auxiliary verb in this sentence? There is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. So this verb is be2. Give, gave. This is a strong verb. So this verb is be2. B2. If you B2, you have to use extra word. While changing into passive, you have to extra word. Was, where. Was, where. You have to use extra word. Was, where. And then you have to use P3. Gave instead of given. You have to use given instead of gave. So dear students, the thief, T-A-C-T-H-I-E-F, thief. Firstly, I took the thief. And then you have to use auxiliary, but there is no auxiliary in this sentence. So you have to go to next step. Next step, you have to set extra word. But extra word, how to use extra word? B2. Your students notice this verb is B2. So you have to bring extra word was, where. Notice the thief is only singular, so you have to use was. W-A-S, was. And then you have to use B3. Instead, you have to use B3. Give, given instead of gave. G-I-V-E-N, given. You have to next part of this sentence, some, food and money. S-O-M-E, some. F-O-O-D, food, A-N-D-N. M-O-N-E-Y, money. Then you have to use by, because this sentence is personal subject. This subject is personal, he. Here he, personal subject. So you have to use by. B-Y, by. And you have to use object form he, him. The thief was given some food and money by him. The students, you can sense into passive, active to passive by using this formula. Going to next step. Question number J. Mohsin was one of the best philanthropists in the world. Philanthropist in the world. This will notice one of the plus adjective 3. If you find the one of the plus adjective 3, this sentence is superlative and you have to sense into positive. So you have to sense into superlative to positive. Firstly, if you find one of the plus adjective 3, even one of the plus adjective 3, you have to sense into, you have to bring very few dot dot s plus adjective 1 plus s. Firstly, you have to write very few, B-E-R-Y, very, F-E-W, very few, and then you have to use next part of the sentence after adjective 3. After adjective 3, here adjective 3 best. So you have to next part philanthropist in this world. Philanthropist. PHILANTHROPISTS in the WORLD world. The students, and as very few plural verb is used after very few plural NP is used, or plural NP is used after very few. So you have to use plural verb. Notice was. You have to use were. WERE, were. And then you have to use as, and you have to change into adjective 1 instead of best. Adjective 3, good, better, best. So you have to use good, 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 ASS, and you have to use subject of this sentence, motion. MUSIN, motion. Very few philanthropists in the world were as good as motion. Dear students, you can, if you find the tools as one of the adjective theory, you have to think these sentences superlative while changing into positive to superlative to positive. You have to come very few s plus adjective 1s. By using the students, you have to change into positive to superlative to positive by using this formula. The students, you have to be aware of coronavirus, and you have to stay at home as usual, and you have to wear masks when you go out, and you have to wash your hand till 20 seconds frequently, and you have to follow the rules of hygiene. Dear students, see you next time. I will arrive before you with a new video. Remain good till this. Thank you very much.